Hi everyone! Hi Grade 4! Once again, I am Teacher Jane and welcome to our math class. In this video, we will be discussing Activity 1 of Mathematics for Quarter 2 Week 2 with the topic Least Common Multiple or LCM. Open your activity sheets on page 16 and let us talk about the instruction. In this activity, complete the table using listing method. We have 3 columns in the table. The first column are the number pairs. The second column are the set of multiples. And the last column is the LCM. In this activity, we will be using listing method to complete the table. List the multiples of the given pairs of numbers in the second column, then find the least common multiple or LCM and write it in the third column. Before you answer, I will explain first the given example in this activity. The given pair of number is 4 and 6. In the second column, write the set of multiples of 4 and 6. Remember, the multiples of a whole number are found by taking the product of any counting number and that whole number. Or, if the given numbers are small like what we have in our example, we simply do skip counting to find their multiples. Next, find the common multiples. Then, find the LCM and write it in the third column. Let's have another example. We have 3 and 4 in the first column. In the second column, write the set of multiples of 3 and 4. Next, let us identify the common multiples of the given numbers. Then write the least common multiple in the third column. This is the end of the instruction for Activity 1. I hope you enjoy learning with me. Until next time, good luck!